थेवेनिन थ्योरम तुम्हारे दिसंबर 2016 के पेपर में आया हुआ है ये। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू रिमूव लोड रेजिस्टेंस दैट वी हैव रिmoved RL 10 ohm, right? Next step we need to mark VAB. We need to calculate VTH, that is VAB. So whenever we'll have battery and the resistance, mark one more point in between always, okay? Like suppose this one is C, this one is D, this one is E, this one is F, and this one is B. Clear? Now VAB would be equal to how much? VAC plus VCD plus VDE plus VEF and plus VFB. Correct? You are standing at A, you need to move towards B, and resistance and battery के बीच में एक point लगाना है. Okay? Now VAC is how much? IAC into RAC. But as it's an open circuit, so will current flow in this? No, now. So that would be 0. VCD, they have given positive, negative, and I told you we have to take the second sign to -10. Correct? VDE is how much? IDE into RDE. So again if I'll mark I1 to positive, negative, positive, negative, so negative IDE into RDE. RDE is 1. Correct? Now VF is 10 volt and second sign is minus, so it would be -10. Correct? VFB, again it's an open circuit, so it would be completely 0, right? So now what we are left with, that is -10 minus IDE minus 10, that would be equal to VAB, right? Now if we will be able to get the value for IDE, can we get the value for VAB? अगर हमें IDE की वैल्यू पता लग जाती है मैश लगा के, क्योंकि करंट जब भी निकालना होगा तो कैसे निकलेगा? मैश से. Then can we get the value for voltage? So mark the current. Okay, तो mark current as you are moving from D to E, तो current भी कैसे जाएगा? Current would also move from D to E. Correct? So now tell me the mesh equation. -1 into IDE minus 10 plus 20 minus 1 IDE. Correct? तो यहाँ से we'll get ID -1 minus 2 IDE, and that would be +10 equal to -10, minus से minus cancel, IDE is 5, right? So what will get? -10 minus 5. So now finally you got the value for voltage is -25. 25 -10 minus 5 ना. नहीं 5 प्लस है, बट IDE का नेगेटिव साइन था ना यहाँ पे. तो ये मत सोचना कि if voltage is negative our answer is wrong. No, that's correct. So finally we can write voltage as 25 volt, क्योंकि वोल्टेज कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होती, वो पॉजिटिव ही होती है. उस नेगेटिव आ रही है तो पॉजिटिव लिख दो. ओके, क्लियर अप टू हियर? जस्ट नोट इट डाउन. Now for RTH, 1 ohm and 1 ohm are in parallel, means 1 parallel 1 is how much? 1 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. That would be combined in series with 1. So it would be 1.5 ohm. Okay. So RTH value is how much? 1.5 ohm. So now we need to calculate current. Voltage source VTH is combined in series with RTH. Okay, and then RL. VTH we calculated 25 volt, RTH we calculated 1.5, RL was 10 ohm given. So what was the formula related to this? I is equal to VTH divided by RTH plus RL. 25 divided by 1.5 plus 10. Got it? So we can solve it. 25 divided by 2.5 तो आ जाएगा तुम्हारे पास 10 एम्पियर. Got it? देखो in this first of all remove the load resistance. ठीक है, so they didn't ask you to calculate the current, they asked you to calculate the Thevenin equivalent. Thevenin equivalent means you need only to draw VTH that would be in series with RTH. Okay, ठीक है. Now after this we need to remove RL. Now we can mark again A and B. So we can mark this point as C and this point as D. So now we need to calculate VAB. VAB would be equal to VAC plus VCD plus VDB. VAC and VDB is 0 because it's open circuit. VCD is ICD into RCD. ICD multiplied by 10. Now tell me the next step. So ICD 2 ampere is flowing in this direction is also same. तुम C से D जा रही हो, करंट भी C से D जा रहा है, तो पॉजिटिव 2 into 10 that would be 20. तो VTH डायरेक्ट कितना आ गया 20 वोल्ट. ठीक है. Now next step is to calculate RTH. RTH के लिए voltage source must be short circuit, right? This one also short circuit, this one open circuit, and this one A and B. Correct? Now इसका बताओ, इसका 90% of the student will do mistake. क्या आएगा RAB? It's a tricky question. तो यहाँ पे रास्ता ही नहीं है जाने का. तो if you can go then current can go, if you can't go then current can't go. So you are standing at A, need to move towards B, you will move along through this path. So simply RTH is how much? 10 ohm. Okay, that's why this question they have given in just 2 marks, because VTH also you'll get it directly and RTH also you can get it directly, right? Clear? Okay, next question. This is RL. Okay, so remove RL. ठीक है. Again we'll have A and B. A से C, we can't go through the path where our enemy is present, 1 ampere, right? So C to D, and I told you कि resistance and battery के बीच में also you need to mark one alphabet C D E F G. Okay, so now we need to calculate VAB. VAB is how much? How will you go? A to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to G, G to B, right? So it would be VAC plus VCD plus VDE plus VEF plus VFG plus VGB. Correct? So VA, now you tell me the next steps. इसमें देखो either we can take first sign or second sign. तो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव ई से ई गए, पहला साइन पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, दूसरा साइन भी पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, मतलब 2 वोल्ट का. तो इट्स योर विश कि कोई भी ले लो, ऐसा नहीं है कि सेकंड ही लेना है. नेगेटिव लोगे तो नेगेटिव भी ठीक है. ठीक है. नाउ सी पूरा हो गया, बस यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ ID. तो VA भी आ जाएगा ना, इजी है, कोई लेंदी नहीं है. नाउ योर टारगेट इज टू कैलकुलेट IDE. बताओ कैसे करेंगे. फर्स्ट मैश की इक्वेशन ये आ गई, राइट. सेकंड मैश की ये आ गई. I2 की वैल्यू यहाँ पे सब्सटीट्यूट करोगे तो I1 आ जाएगा. ID इज हाउ मच? I1 भी ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है, IDE भी ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है, तो I1 पॉजिटिव और I2 negative, multiplied by 2 plus 2. So we can substitute the value, then we'll get the value for VAB. Correct? ठीक है. Now next step is to calculate RTH. RTH means Thevenin resistance. So Thevenin resistance के लिए voltage source must be short circuit, correct, and current source must be open circuit, correct. So now tell me, only two resistances are there. तो ये दोनों कैसे कनेक्टेड है, सीरीज और पैरेलल? पैरेलल. So RAB would be equal to RTH, that would be 2 parallel 2. Okay, 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2, कितना आ गया, 1. ओके, ठीक है, नोटेड डाउन. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. ये वाला क्वेश्चन होमवर्क में करना है. इट इज बेस्ड ऑन डिपेंडेंट सोर्स. तो यू कैन गेट VTH. VTH निकाल लेना भी, RTH मत निकालना क्योंकि वो अलग तरीके से होगा. नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं डिपेंडेंट सोर्स के क्वेश्चंस पे डिस्कस करूंगी बेस्ड ऑन थेवेनिन थ्योरम. ठीक है. And if you have any doubt, any query, then you can directly call me on this number. My name is Charu Jain and I am having more than 14 years teaching experience in this electrical and electronics subjects. Okay, bye bye.